Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a fingerprint to a Tuya smart lock using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Also, make sure your smart lock is already added to the app. This lock is online and connected to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Now, on the home screen of the app, tap on your smart lock. This opens the control page. Then tap the settings icon or three dot in the top right corner. Now tap fingerprint or biometric or fingerprint management depending on your model. Tap add fingerprint. The app may ask for lock password, app password or admin verification. This is for security. Now follow the instruction on the screen. Press your finger on the lock fingerprint sensor. Lift and place the same finger again. Repeat several times. The app will show progress as it reads your fingerprint. Once the scanning is complete, tap confirm or save. And that's it. We have successfully learned how to add a fingerprint in the Tuya app using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.